Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, making the Fitzgerald. The Fitzgerald was created in the 1990s by Dale DeGroff, who had worked at the Rainbow Room in New York. He was known for expanding the American bar scene by using fresh juices in his cocktails. This is essentially a gin sour without the egg white. Let's make the Fitzgerald. 2 ounces of London dry gin into a cocktail shaker. 3/4 ounce fresh lemon juice. 3/4 ounce simple syrup. Sugar water. 2 dashes Angostura bitters. Add ice. Give it a good shake. Into a chilled coupe glass. We are going to strain up. Perfect. Final step. Lemon wheel placed right on top. And there you have the Fitzgerald. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. That's a gin sour, minus the texture of the egg. Very sour, very sweet, very refreshing. Go home, try it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram at The Blue Collar Bartender. Thank you. Goodbye.